So I'll write one difference. What is one difference? When I look at both the pictures, I can see the backpack is there. This backpack, Robert backpack. Okay, on the backpack, green color backpack, Robert is written, and the backpack is on the grass. No, now here backpack is on the bench. No, backpack is on the bench. So I can say first difference. First difference in the picture A, the backpack is on the grass, whereas it is on the bench in picture B. Okay, in the in picture A, right? Okay, in picture A, the backpack is on the grass, whereas it is on the bench in picture B. This is how you write the differences. So when you write the differences, I am saying in picture A. So that is in the first picture, this one. That is in the first picture. That is picture A. Backpack is on the grass. No. Okay. So I say in picture A, the backpack is on the grass. Whereas, okay, you have to use the word whereas. So that means A unata. When you say whereas, in Sinhala, the meaning is A unata. It is on the bench in picture B. So this is picture B, in that it's on the bench. No, we can say it is on the bench in picture B. That's how you write the differences. Right, let's see the differences in these pictures. Okay, now, yeah, you all have written this one. So in this picture, he is wearing normal spectacles, but in this one, he is wearing sunglasses. So when we are writing the answer, we have to say in picture A. Okay, in picture A. Now this we have to first tell who the boy is. No, we have to identify the boy. So he is wearing blue t-shirt and brown trousers. Okay, so we can say in picture A, the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. Okay, in picture, the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. Now you all need to learn this part. See how I am describing the boy. The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. In blue t-shirt and brown trousers. That's how you write it. The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. So when you see this one, you can see, okay, the boy, when you look at this picture, there is only one boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. Only one boy is there. Okay, then it's very clear. Okay, so we are saying in picture, the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers is wearing sunglasses, whereas he is wearing normal spectacles in picture B. See, the first sentence is written, the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. So this part is to explain or describe who the boy is. That's what we have done here. The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. So we are describing who the boy is. Okay. Then we are telling what he is doing. He is wearing sunglasses. So if you remove this part, you can simply say the boy is wearing sunglasses. The boy is wearing sunglasses. That's how we have to tell. The boy is wearing sunglasses. That's the sentence. But we are describing who the boy is. So the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. Always remember, it has to be trousers. You can't say trouser. That's wrong. You have to say trousers. Then the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers is wearing sunglasses. So this is one sentence. Clear now? The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers is wearing sunglasses. So that is one sentence. So we are going to tell the difference. When you want to tell the difference, you can put whereas or else you can say but. Both are okay. Whereas he is wearing, so the next sentence, he is wearing normal spectacles in picture B. Okay, normal spectacles in picture B. So that's how you write the differences. What are the other differences? Now, actually in picture A, this boy is actually waving his hand, right? He is waving his hand. But in picture B, he is not waving his hand. So we can write that difference as well. So in the same way, in picture A, the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers is waving his hand, his left hand, no? His left hand, whereas he is holding onto the bicycle in picture B. So in picture A, he is waving his left hand. You can see he is waving his left hand. No, you can see that he is waving his left hand. But in picture B, he is just holding on to the bicycle. He is just holding on to the bicycle. That's the difference. Okay, so we have written it. So even though the sentence is a bit longer, students, if you understand and write it, the sentence is not that long. Okay, so I am teaching you how to write these longer sentences. That is one thing. And another thing is how to write differences between pictures. Normally for term test and all, sometimes they don't give these exercises. But if you go for Cambridge exams or British Council exams, in those exams, normally pictures are given and you all need to write the differences in those pictures. But see, when you are writing the differences, you learn a lot. You learn grammar, you learn how to write sentences. At the same time, you learn English in the context. Okay, you learn English in the context. Okay, so what we are saying here is the boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. Okay, that's the description of the boy. The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. So remember the preposition, in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. In. Normally students write with. That is wrong. Not with, it's in. The boy in blue t-shirt and brown trousers is waving his left hand. So that's the first sentence. So this is the first sentence. Okay. Whereas, we are writing the difference. Whereas, or but, we can say but, or we can say whereas. He is holding onto the bicycle in picture B. Yeah. So in the second picture, we don't have to describe who the boy is, because in the first picture we have described. No. So in the second picture, we simply say he is holding onto the bicycle in picture B. That's how the difference is written. Then what else? What else? What are the other differences? Okay. So this girl who is in black skirt and pink top, right? She's running actually, no? She's running. But in the picture B, she's just walking. No? We can write that difference as well. In picture A, the girl in black skirt and pink top. The girl in black skirt and pink top. See, we are describing who the girl is. Okay, the girl in black skirt and pink top. Then it's understandable. There is only one girl in this picture who is wearing a black skirt and pink top. Okay, there is only one girl. So it's easy to identify the person. So that's why you write the girl in black skirt and pink top, right? In picture A, the girl in black skirt and pink top is running. Is running. No? Is running. When you write the sentence in the ing form, it's a must for you to use a be verb. Is running. Is running. Whereas she is walking. She is walking in picture B. She is just walking. She's just walking. In picture B, she's just walking. Right. What are the other differences? You can see in picture A, there are birds on the roof. There are two birds here. You can see there are two birds on the roof. But in picture B, there is no bird on the roof. So you can write that difference as well. In picture A, there are two, actually they are cranes. There are two cranes, or you can say birds as well, not a problem. There are two cranes on the roof of the building. Whereas there is none in picture B. No? Right. There are two cranes. Now, since there are two cranes, you have to start the sentence with there are. There are two cranes on the roof of the building. On the roof of the building. There are two cranes on the roof of the building. Whereas there is none in picture B. There is no one in picture B. That's how you write the difference. What else? We can see. So here you can see the skateboard. The skateboard is purple color in picture A. No, in picture B it's in pink color. No, that difference also we can write. In picture A, the skateboard is purple, but it is pink in picture B. No, the skateboard is purple, but it is pink in picture B. You don't have to say pink color or purple color. You can simply say pink and purple. That is enough, right? You don't have to say pink color, purple color. That is not required. Even if you write, that's not a mistake. But what I'm saying is that is not required. Okay, right. There are some other differences as well. Now, if you look at the first picture, there is a clock here. No? On the clock, the time is actually 9 o'clock. Okay, but here on the other one, what's the time? In the second one, the time is actually 11 o'clock. No? In the first one, it's 9 o'clock. In the second one, it's 11 o'clock. So that's also another difference. In picture A, the time on the clock is 9, whereas it is 11 in picture B. That's another difference. No? What are the other differences? Any other difference? Okay, now there is a what else is there? There is a, this is, you can see a moon on this. What is this? This may be, let's say it's a laptop, laptop screen. No? So there is a moon, but here in this one, there is an alien. No, there is an alien in this one. You can see there is an alien. And there's another difference. This guy is sitting on the grass in the second picture, but in the first picture, he is sitting on the bench. No, he's sitting on the bench. So let's write that one as well. In picture A, the boy in green t-shirt, the boy in green t-shirt and blue trousers is sitting on the bench, whereas he is, or we can say, but he is sitting on the grass in picture B. No? The boy in green t-shirt and blue trousers. So he is wearing green t-shirt and blue trousers. No? So the boy in green t-shirt and blue trousers is sitting on the bench, but he is sitting on the grass in picture B. Yeah, in picture B, in picture A, he is sitting on the bench, but he is sitting on the grass in picture B. Then the other thing that we can say is, in picture A, there is an alien on the, this must be a tab, no, on the tab screen. But there is a moon. There is a moon in picture B. No? When you see there is a moon, no? There is a crescent moon, and here there is an alien, no, in this picture. So we have written 9 differences. One more difference is also there. What's the difference? Okay, we can write. So the girl who is on the skateboard, she is carrying a circle shaped bag, but whereas this is a, in picture B, it's a square shaped bag, no? So we can say, in picture A, the girl on the skateboard is carrying a circle shaped bag, but she is carrying a square shaped bag in picture B. So we can say the girl on the skateboard is carrying a circle shaped bag, but she is carrying a square shaped bag in picture B. No? Picture B. Right. Okay. So we have written 10 differences, students. There are more differences than 10. Okay, but I'm not going to write all of them. So we have written 10 differences between these two pictures. So the thing that you have to learn here is, when you are describing somebody, always use in, the preposition in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. We can use in blue t-shirt and brown trousers. So that's the dress that they are wearing. Okay, so you can use the preposition in. And another thing that you need to learn is, when you are writing the difference, you can use the word whereas, or else you can use the word but. Both are okay, right? You can use the word but, or you can use the word whereas. And you have to, when you are writing the differences, you have to write about both the pictures. In the sentence, you have to write about both the pictures. That's how it has to be written. And when you say picture, so in this picture, so you have to use in picture A, and in picture B. Okay, those are the prepositions that you need to remember. And when we say on the bench, because it is on, only that person is sitting, so because of that we have to use on the bench. So these are things that we have to learn. And the other thing is, I saw that you all are using ing form without the be verb. You can never write like that. Always remember, when you are writing the ing form of a verb, the be verb has to be there. She is walking. You can't simply say she walking. No, she is walking. That's a must. So those are things that you need to remember here.